So what's up guys, another video on the channel, and it's going to be an setup video on how to set up this on your Android devices. So guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the application that I used in this video are backdrops application for the wallpaper, or the specific download link you will get in the description, and the Simplicit paid icon packs for the icons, and the widget from the Magenta KWGT, which is numbered at 041. So let's see that how you can set up this widget on your home screen. So guys, after setting up the icons and the wallpaper, you just need to click on the home screen, go to the widget option and search for KWGT slot. Now choose any size because you can resize it into the size of 4:1. So then click on that, go to the Magenta KWGT and search for widget number 041. So guys, after finding it, you just need to click on that, go to the layer option. So guys, after just clicking on the widget number, now you have to go to the layer option and maximize into the size of 127. Now go to the item, go to stack group again, morphing text and paint it into the yellow one. Then save it and save it. So guys, after that you will see the widget is on your home screen. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and comment below that what type of KWGT's pack do you like the most. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.